Everyone, you are welcome once again to my video. In this video, we are going to be talking about conditions for equilibrium. In our previous video, we talked about force equilibrium and we explain what is force. We explain how a force is said to be in equilibrium. So today we are going to be talking about a condition that will make this for it to be in equilibrium. So what are the conditions for force to be in equilibrium or a body to be in equilibrium? The conditions for equilibrium is what we are going to look for today. So we say first, a body is said to be in equilibrium, or the only condition for a body that can be assumed to be in equilibrium is when the body is at rest or when the body is moving in a uniform straight line. This is what I'm saying. Say the body is at rest, that is, the body is in one place, it's not moving, or the body is moving or is moving uniformly, or the body is moving uniformly in a straight line. When the body is moving uniformly in a straight line, or the body is in one place not moving, we say the body is in what? Equilibrium. Now when you keep a pen on a table, if I place this pen here, you can see that the pen is not shaking, the pen is not dangling, the pen is just the way I kept it. This is when we say the body is at rest. All right, we say the body is at rest. So this body is said to be in equilibrium. Why? Because the net force acting on the pen is equal to 0. That is the first condition. We call it condition 1. All right, so what is the second condition? All right, we say a body can be said to be in equilibrium. One of the conditions is either the body did not rotate, either the body did not rotate or it rotate at a constant speed. Either the body did not rotate or the body rotate at a constant speed. It doesn't matter how small the speed is. So far as the speed is constant, the body is said to be in equilibrium. All right, let's assume a fan. Now the blade of the fan, if one blade happens to move faster than the other blade, what do you think will happen? All right, so now that the blades are all moving in constant speed, the body is in equilibrium, because there is no way the other blade will be fast to hit the other blade. Why? Because they are moving in constant speed. All right, so what are the types of forces? Because we knew that the force can be at rest or the body can rotate. So what are the type of forces? That is our next thing to look. What are the types of forces? All right, types of forces, basically we can say we have two types of forces, where we have a static force. So what do you understand by a static force? Based on the conditions we mentioned earlier, we say a static force is a force that does not cause motion. A static force is a force that does not cause motion. This force is talking about a body at rest. It does not cause any motion. 2, we can say we have a dynamic force. What do you understand by a dynamic force? We say a dynamic force is a force that causes motion. This force causes motion, or this force change in motion per time. Either it causes motion or it changes in motion per time. Those are the two types of forces. Those two types of forces are in collinear with the conditions for the equilibrium. One, we say either the body is at rest. For it to be in equilibrium, either the body is at rest. And then we say for a static force is a force that does not cause change. So if the body does not, if a force does not cause any motion, it means the body is at rest. Understand? Now when the body causes motion, the body is said to be what? To change with time. Understand? So with this type of forces explains the conditions of the equilibrium, or the conditions of the equilibrium explain the types of forces, or either ways. So you can drop the types, the examples of the static force and examples of dynamic force from the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. Join me in the next video for proper and deep explanation. Thank you.